Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, and healing, abundance, and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page with a blessing to you. Your word of the day is learning to love myself. If you're waiting for the world to treat you how you want to be treated, this is the wrong way to think of it. The way you treat yourself is how the world is going to treat you, how anyone else on the outside is going to treat you, because no one's going to treat you better than you treat yourself. You have to set the standard. You have to set the gate. You have to set the standard and what level that people need to be able to be accepted into your realm. Everyone can't be accepted to your realm. If you treat me the way that I do not wish to be treated, I'm sorry. I wish you the best, but I can't invite you into my aura, into my community, into my energy. But how you treat yourself is going to teach your significant other, family, friends, the entire world how to treat you. Because if you don't treat yourself well, how can you imagine or how can you ask someone else to do that? I choose to see the beauty within me because you're so beautiful. So much things to love, so many things to take pride over and to actually boost your confidence and treat yourself well for. My wealth and my gifts rely in my nature. I transform my weaknesses into strengths. I realize I'm a being of light and I allow myself to shine, baby, shine. Make sure you give yourself credit for your shine. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.